Okay, I'm back on the Beetle today. Got one little thing to fix right now. This wheel looks like this. This one looks like this. Center hubcap missing. I don't know how the guy that hit the car, he was on a motorcycle, he hit the back. Somehow he flew out in front of the car, and I don't know how he did it, but he ripped off the front hubcap as he was flying by. And anyway, it landed up in the middle of the road and a bunch of people ran over it. So, we had to get a new one. And the new one has arrived. The new one's right here. It's all looking good, fresh, new. What is really interesting on this, it says, you know, genuine part. So I assume that's it's made in Germany. But then, you know, this car is assembled in Mexico. They build all these cars in Mexico, so apparently this hubcap just went from Germany to Mexico, and then I got it on eBay. Got it from a guy in Lithuania. It went from Germany, Mexico, Lithuania, and then when I came back tracking, it went to New York. Then I came to Los Angeles, and then a bunch of different other little cities up to me in the Central Valley in California here. The box was a little bit crunched, but I mean, from traveling, World Traveler hubcap, you know, it arrived in perfect condition. So, gotta be happy with that. It was $33 on eBay. It was the cheapest I could find it. A new one anyway. So now we're just gonna put this on. It's no big thing. Snaps right on. It's got this little kind of spring in the back that just fits in the middle of the hubcap here. And then you gotta fit the little spacers in the right place. Pretty much it just presses right on. Just like that. Easy. Hopefully its travels are over and then it can stay on this car for the rest of its life. You can see the motorcycle. I guess part of it, like, I hadn't really noticed before, but it did some marking on the wheel here as it crashed into the car before the guy got up and took off. But anyway, that's this little project, and now we're going to work on another little thing.